I made this video because several people told me that science was so difficult. But did you know that science came from the Latin word scientia, means knowledge. So knowledge is very important to us. Also, there are two categories of science, which is the physical science and natural science. But there are other sectors of science like biology, chemistry, and other sectors. Also, there are 5 characteristics of science. First one is scientific knowledge is tentative. So it was changing, it is dynamic through all times. Science composed of different theories that can be further explained more by the scientists. Number 2, science is empirically based. Of course, there are always an evidence from the observation you must look. The evidence must showcase the reality of the fact that you have to prove something. Number 3, science is inferential, imaginative, and creative. Those scientists have their prior knowledge to assess how does the data gathered and what explanation that they are gonna do. So they are basing upon the observation and having an evidence. Number 4, science is subjective and theory-laden. Number 5, science is socially and culturally embedded. Science will affect the politics, the economy, and the whole country if there's no science. Now let's focus on the science inquiry and how do we apply science inquiry in education. Let's define what is inquiry. Inquiry defines for the process or ways on how to investigate, observe, and having an immerse with the data that we have gathered regarding to the situations. We can apply science inquiry in research approaches, in other laboratories that needs an investigations and needs answers depending on the observations. What is inquiry-based science education? It is a way on how the teacher delivers the teaching strategies and techniques to the students. There are 2 pedagogical approaches in science. First one is the deductive or the top-down transmission approach and the inductive or the bottom-up transmission approach. The IBST or the inquiry-based science teaching is a way on how to teach science through inquiries. It is a way on how to deal the students in experiences and experimentation. According to Anderson, that the teacher's role is to give knowledge to the students. IBSL or inquiry-based science learning deals on how the teacher will involve or engage the students in scientific inquiries or observations, experimentations in which they will seek evidence and knowledge regarding to themselves. Of course, teaching qualities is very important to the teachers. He or she must involve the students in a scientific or experiential learning in order for them to assess what they learn from themselves. For all teachers, listen to me. Real application of the assessment, activities, or any task to the students is a must. Real application to the students is a must. They have to build on their own, they have to learn on their own, and they will bring it on their own together in their lifetime and through ever. In contrast, learning is not all about memorizing the facts, but the ability of the mind to think. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have questions, just leave a comment down in the comment section. Thank you.